Well, today we're installing a Wolf BBQ into a property in Lake Hayes. The first stage was craning the unit in. It's an outdoor barbecue, obviously, and then the next stage was manoeuvring it into its final position and into its services.
So one of the bigger challenges is the weight of this unit. As you can see, it's heavy, it's long. It took a team of men to really push it into place. I think we were all itching for that final piece of protective film to be peeled off.
There's nothing compares to the Wolf BBQ, and in the setting that they have here, it's beautiful. It really is.
As a staple piece for Wolf, I believe this is your top of the line that you can purchase.
You know, the Wolf appliances gave us the opportunity to basically cook anything. You know, we've got a lovely grill, we can do a roast, we can do anything on it, so it just suits us perfectly. Very happy.